Hello children, how are you? As I promised you, I'm going to make you learn a card for your Father's Day. So are you all ready? We need the material, that is some paper. See, I have kept orange paper. You can have any color paper. I have kept one black color sheet like this. I have folded for the card, and one I have got this yellow color sheet. Okay, I'm going to show you two cards today. Okay children, so in the first card we are going to make for dad. That is, first we are going to take a card and fold it like this and keep it. Okay, and you need one ice cream spoon. Just stick one ice cream spoon like this on the card. Okay children, with the Fevicol. And now in this paper we are going to cut it in shape of a ice cream. Okay, we are going to cut it in shape of a ice cream. See, you all like to have orange bars, children? You all like to eat orange bar? So I am making an orange bar. Now see, I am just making it, cut it into shape of U. This is my U. You can draw also and then cut it like this. Okay, my ice cream is ready. And now when we eat ice cream, this is a bite. We have taken a bite of your ice cream. Okay, now we are going to stick it over here. We are going to stick it on the stick with the Fevicol, and I am going to put googly eyes on it. I have got googly eyes on it, which I am going to stick on this like this. Okay, like this, two eyes I am going to stick on this, and then I am going to show you how your card is going to look. It is going to look like this. See, your card is going to look like this. On this eyes, mouth you have made, and the ice cream dots, which is very simple. I have told you how to make these ice cream dots. You're just going to make a U and make it like this. And over there you're going to write, "You are my coolest dad." Okay, and inside the card you can give dad any message, whatever you want to write for your dad. And I think so your dad is going to love this card. He is your coolest dad. Okay, for the second card, children, which I'm going to show you, is on the black sheet. Okay, over here just fold it like this and keep it. Okay, and with the white one, with the white crayon or with your silver crayon, whichever you have, we are going to write on this dad. We are going to write over here dad. See, my silver things are coming on this. D, capital D, A, capital A, capital A. Can you all see? And D, dad. It is coming like this, dad. Okay, can you see? Dad has come over here. Now on this we are going to put some Fevicol on this like this. And if you have glitter, other glitter tubes, and if you have these glitters, we are going to stick it like this on all the dad and everyone. So your card is going to look like this. The end result is going to be like this. So I am giving you two ideas to make cards for your dad. One is this dad, and you can add any glitter. See, you have all these stickers lying in the house. You have stickers in the house. You have those sticker bindis are also coming, so can use that also on this. Okay children, so these things you can use. So now you can see you have two cards for your dad ready. Whichever you like, you can do it. Children, please don't forget to share, comment and subscribe my channel, please children, and the bell icon under it. Thank you. See you soon.